I have noticed, and this is also a deliberate strategy of Hans de Seewest, that in recent years we've put even more focus on communication. And more specifically on the more complex side of communication, the customer experience aspect of communication. And I see that many colleagues, competitors, and partners have chosen to offer a total IT solution, which is of course fantastic, but we've chosen a certain niche to stay deeply involved in that communication. And we are convinced that by maintaining this focus on communication systems, contact center solutions, and the like, we can really work in depth, allowing us to truly address the customer's needs. And while many companies are involved in communication to some extent, with just over 32 employees, we spend 100% of our time on communication, which leads us to great projects like the one we did with AXI, and judging by the feedback, it was to everyone's satisfaction.
Absolutely.
Look, what I always find strange in the market is that when we say, well, we have a generic IT company that provides workstations, well, we're also going to have them do CRM, implement it, then everyone says, ooh, but you can't do that, can you? You can't just have a regular IT company implement CRM, can you? While it's often perfectly acceptable to ask a regular IT company to solve communication issues. With communication, you're talking about the same things as with CRM. You're talking about business processes and customer contact, and you're talking about how can I serve someone better? How can I help someone work more effectively? So it's often really something that belongs with a true specialist.
Definitely. And I think that's our strategy and our added value. We don't start from a platform or a product or the replacement of a telephone exchange. These days, telephony is sometimes a bit trivialized as well. Email, chat, WhatsApp, everything has found its own place a bit. But we look at it from the process, from the customer's perspective. What if the service desk at Actia is unreachable for 2 days? I think that would have serious consequences. What if the reception at certain government agencies in certain companies we work for is completely unreachable? So we look for solutions starting from the customer's processes, what is needed, and in some projects, that's just a part of it. In some projects, it's a very large project. But it's precisely that needs analysis and specialization that allows us to deliver the right things to the right partner or the right customer.